Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, let me introduce myself. I am Siti Nurhalisa, class name 04 from Chemistry Class A. Here I will answer some questions, explain the history of the establishment of the Abbasid Caliphate, during what region was the golden age of the Abbasid Caliphate, and what were its indicators, explain the advancement of Islamic civilization during the Umayyad dynasty. What were the causes of the decline of the Abbasid Caliphate? The history of the establishment of the Abbasid Caliphate. The Abbasid Caliphate was established in 750 AD after successfully overthrowing the Umayyad Caliphate through a revolution led by Abu Muslim al-Khurasani. Power was taken over by Abu Abbas as-Saffah as the first caliph. This dynasty claimed descent from Abbas ibn Abdul Muttalib, the uncle of Prophet Muhammad. The capital was moved from Damascus to Baghdad. The golden age of the Abbasid Caliphate and its indicator. The golden age occurred during the reign of Caliph Harun al-Rashid and reached its peak under Caliph al-Ma'mun. Indicators include rapid development of science and knowledge, establishment of the Bait al-Hikmah House of Wisdom, translation of foreign works Greek Persian. Baghdad became the world center of science and civilization. Achievement of Islamic civilization during the Umayyad dynasty. The Islamic territory expanded to Spain and India. Arabization of administration and the use of a distinct Islamic currency. Construction of monumental architecture, Umayyad Mosque, Dome of the Rock. Arabic became the official language of knowledge and culture. Causes of the decline of the Abbasid Caliphate, internal conflict and power struggles, emergency of independent dynasties in various regions, dependence on foreign troops, economic weakness and corruption, Mongol invasion that destroyed Baghdad in 1258 AD. What is the history of the conquest of Spain? How was the advancement of Islamic civilization in Spain? Explain the causes of the fall of Islamic rule in Spain. History of the conquest of Spain. The conquest of Spain al-Andalus began in 711 AD by Muslim troops led by Tariq ibn Ziyad. Under the command of Musa ibn Yasar from the Umayyad dynasty, they successfully defeated the Visigothic King Roderick and took control of much of the Iberian Peninsula. Advancement of Islamic civilization in Spain. Rapid development in science including medicine, mathematics, astronomy, and philosophy. Establishment of major universities and libraries, especially in Cordoba. Architectural achievements such as the Great Mosque of Cordoba and the Alhambra. Religious tolerance among Muslims, Christians, and Jews. Arabic became the language of knowledge and culture. Causes of the fall Islamic rule in Spain. Political fragmentation, the rise of small independent kingdoms, typhus. Continuous Christian attack through the reconquest over centuries. Weak unity among Muslims. The conquest of Granada by King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella in 1492 AD marked the end of Islamic rule in Spain. Do you agree if a historian or someone says that Islam is imperialist, colonial, especially is spreading its power? Explain your argument why you agree or disagree. I do not agree with the claim that Islam is an imperialist colonizing religion. Reasons: 1. The main goal of spreading Islam is da'wah, infusing to fight, not colonization or exploitation. 2. Historically, many regions embraced Islam through trade, preaching, and exemplary conduct, not through warfare. Indonesia. 3. Military conquest in Islamic history aimed to overthrow tyranny, profit religion's freedom, and ensure justice not to oppress. 4. Islamic respect freedom or religions. Explain several theories that describes the arrival of Islam in Indonesia. Also explain the strategies of the Wali Songo in spreading Islam in Indonesia. Theories on the arrival of Islam in Indonesia. 1. Gujarat Theory, India. Islam entered from Gujarat through Indian Muslim traders in the 13th century AD, supported by artifacts such as the tomb of Maulana Malik Ibrahim in Gresik. 2. Mecca Theory. Islam came directly from Arabia as early as the 7th century AD through Arab traders, strengthened by trade and religious disputes between the archipelago and the Middle East. 3. Persian Theory. Islam entered from Persia, Iran through Sufi missionaries, indicated by cultural similarities such as Sufi orders and Islamic art. Wali Songo strategies in preaching Islam in Indonesia. 1. Cultural approach. Islamization. Local traditions such as wayang, shadow puppets, gamelan, traditional music, and wood carving. 2. Education. Established pesantren, Islamic boarding school as center of Islamic education. 3. Marriage alliances. Formed marriages with local nobility to accelerate the acceptance of Islam. 4. Economic and social practices. Charged honestly and fairly, which gained the sympathy of the local people. 5. Local wisdom. Avoided direct confrontation with local customs, gradually replacing them with Islamic values. What is the impact of Western imperialism of Islamic civilization? Explain the effort made by the West to erase the traces of Islamic civilization in the eyes of the world. Impact of Western imperialism on Islamic civilization. Political and economic decline of the Islamic world due to colonization, separation of religions and state structures, the secularization of government, weakening of Islamic education by replacing madrasah and pesantren system with Western education, exploitation of natural resources in Muslim countries by Western powers, Western efforts to erase traces of Islamic civilization. 1. Rewriting history. Portraying Islam only as a religion, not a great civilization. 2. Removal of Islamic symbols from institutions and governments. 3. Replacing Arabic, the language of knowledge, with colonial language. 4. Negative propaganda in media, linking Islam with terrorism. 5. Dividing Muslim nation through colonization and redrawing borders. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.